Let's talk a bit more about screen management. This is the sample address book app that we built on one of the early videos of this playlist. I'm using this mostly to demonstrate about screens because we already have 3 screens on it. The easiest way to see the screens is clicking here, which opens like a gallery where we can see all the screens. We can use this plus button to create a new screen, or we can use this one, new screen. So let's create a new one. This is just a bogus screen to show you stuff. So now we have an empty screen here. Notice that we are showing here as portrait, which means that this screen, like if we put something here, just for the sake of argument, I'm just gonna put like 2 buttons here. If this application was to be opened on a landscape screen, this screen would not show. We would need to implement a new screen for the landscape orientation. You can see it's a brand new one. And then we can add the buttons in a different position. So what happens is that your app has independent portrait and landscape screens. If you don't want to go through the effort of implementing screens for portrait and landscape, you can go to Application Settings and go to Player and select the supported orientations. So you can just disable landscape if you don't want to implement it. Or if your application only works on landscape, you can disable portrait. That kind of covers most what you need to implement new screens and manage them. You can rename screens by double-clicking here. You can also use this drop-down to open the screens list. You can reorder them, and the one that shows first is your first screen, which is the screen that will open when you first load the app. That's all for today. I hope you like it. Managing screens in Appli is super easy. You can see there's not much to talk about in this video. Keep checking this playlist as I dive deeper into tools and features of Appli. Hope to see you soon. If you need any more help regarding screen management, reach out in our forums at forums.appli.io.